Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cupcakes from scratch. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature. Don't forget 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup of milk. Also, line a 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then, gradually add the dry ingredients, alternating with the milk, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully fill each cupcake liner about 2/3 full with your delicious batter. This prevents overflow and ensures a perfect dome. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of a cupcake comes out clean. Once baked, let them cool in the muffin tin for 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack to cool completely. Finally, the fun part, decorating. Make sure your cupcakes are completely cool before you even think about frosting them, otherwise it will melt. Pipe or spread your favorite frosting onto each cooled cupcake. You can get creative with colors and designs. For more great tips and deals, check the description below. There's also a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Finish with sprinkles or any other decorations you love for that perfect touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.